As a strong cold front sweeps across northeast China's Heilongjiang province, heavy snow began to hit cities like Shangyashan, Jixi, Hegang from Sunday night with plunging temperatures. The province has upgraded its emergency response for weather disaster to second level in its 4-tier system on Sunday. Now I'm in Shangyashan City, with an estimated snowfalls up to 35 millimeters from Monday to Tuesday. The local authorities have carried out snow removing operations round the clock to ensure the passage of vehicles.
为应对好这次暴风雪天气呢，我们环卫部门呢全员上岗，以雪为令，边下边清。从昨天晚上8点开始，我们就出动了156台套的机械设备进行呢机械作业。那么今天早上的4点呢，我们又组织了974人，全部呢在路上进行人工清雪。那么截止到目前呢，已经基本保障了道路的畅通和市民的出行。
我们4大公司，负责供应双山市及周边地区的农副产品。在这次暴雪来临之前，头4、5天，我们公司就组织市场的经销商，提前4、5天就已经把这个货物已经采购到位，可以满足咱双山地区及其周边的市县，就是所有的消费者的需求。 目前来看呢，咱们市场的货物量非常充足，另外一个就是价格呢保持非常的稳定。